I hereby read the resolutions by Central Kenya leaders and professionals. We, the leaders drawn from the counties of Central Kenya, have met today on this day, 27th day of November 2021 in Nyeri, and agreed to rally all our people towards a political direction that is sure to secure their future and that of the Kenyan nation as a whole. We have deliberated on the problems facing our region, including inequitable allocation of funds for development, inequitable representation in elected positions, lack of markets and low prices for agricultural produce, inadequate infrastructure marked by incomplete projects, rising poverty levels, unemployment of our youth, prevailing hostile business and trade environments, and the unemployment of the youth, among others. We recognize and accept our responsibility as leaders to unite our people behind the national dreams and negotiations in order to address these challenges. In order to effectively address these challenges, we have resolved as follows. 1, that we will support the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga as the next President of the Republic of Kenya. 2, that this support is pegged on the commitment by Right Honorable Odinga to implement the principle of one man, one vote, one shilling that our people believe will address the skewed resource allocation and development across the country. 3, that the support is further pegged on the commitment by Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga to address the question of representation that has made our region miss out on development resources and other basics for development. That as a region, we appreciate and support a working relationship between Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga and His Excellency President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta that has brought stability to the country, helped the President deliver on his dream for Kenya in his second term, and we are keen to see the country and the region continue on the path of stability and unity. That we unanimously support the agenda of shared prosperity and inclusivity being championed by Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga through the Azimio la Umoja and the vision for a Kenyan nation founded on the principles of utu, umoja, usawa, usalizaji na ustawi kwa wote. That this support for Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga is also pegged on his past and present record of commitment to the strengthening of devolution, bringing more resources to the counties on the basis of one man, one vote, one shilling. And that the support is further pegged on his commitment to working with leaders from this region with a view to ensuring that the region is fairly and equitably represented in senior ranks of government from 2022 and beyond. And that the offer of support is further pegged on his stated plan to invest in agriculture productivity, value addition, raising prices for the local produce, and finding markets for the produce, including coffee, tea, avocado, macadamia, and flowers, amongst others. That the support is premised on the commitment by Right Honorable Raila Odinga to make the business environment of our people more friendly, support local manufacturing, and invest in MSCs that the region strongly depend on. Further, the offer of support is pegged on the commitment by Right Honorable Raila Odinga to complete all development projects initiated by His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, initiate others for the socio-economic development of the region and support of our huge number of our youth who are not employed. Finally, we want to adopt this on behalf of Central Kenya on this day, 27th day of November, 2021. God bless our people. God bless Kenya. Inawezekana. And now I want to ask for a proposer of what I've just read and a seconder. And I just want to pick from one. Just one person to propose. And your name, Nani? Nani? Awa. Aya, wacha. Propose and second.
My name is Janet Rothuku, and I propose this report.
My name is Miano Dirango, and being an auditor and accountant I second this. Thank you very much.
And now I shall put the question. Will of many of